Hello mga kasangga! Welcome to my channel, Pearl TV and Travels Vlog.
Queen Bea Alonso to her mother.
For people to know na siya ang taong behind all of my success. I always get the credit, but actually it's a partnership. Kami ng nanay ko. Siya talaga yung naging cheerleader ko, my life partner, and I feel like she deserves a tribute. She deserves for people to know na siya ang taong behind all of my success. Sabi nga na behind every woman's success is another woman. Just like any other, I'm pretty normal, just like any other daughter. Sometimes meron kami hindi pagkakaintindihan, but of course, like 99.9% of the time we have each other's backs. Since she had me when she was young, ang relationship namin para kaming best friends. We tell each other everything, and I would say we have a very healthy and happy relationship. Salamat. Salamat sa lahat-lahat ng sinakripisyo mo para sa akin, at salamat sa pagintindi mo sa lahat ng desisyon ko sa buhay ko.
Hello mga kasangga!